The 2025 Ducati Panigale V4 is a masterpiece of engineering, bringing track-level performance to the streets. Ducati has fine-tuned this beast, making it even more aerodynamic, more powerful, and more refined than ever. With a 1,103 cubic centimeters Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, it roars with over 215 horsepower, delivering mind-blowing acceleration and a top speed that pushes the limits. Ducati has taken aerodynamics to the next level with redesigned winglets and improved airflow management. The result? Better high-speed stability and enhanced cornering confidence. The new fairing isn't just for looks, it's designed to slice through the wind, reducing drag while maintaining downforce for optimal grip. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Panigale V4 is a game-changer. The upgraded Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension adapts in real time, providing unparalleled precision on both the track and the street. The aluminum alloy frame keeps the bike lightweight yet incredibly rigid, ensuring razor-sharp handling even at high speeds. Ducati's electronics package is as advanced as ever, featuring the latest cornering ABS, Ducati Traction Control EVO3, slide control, wheelie control, and engine brake control. Plus, the updated quick shift system makes gear changes seamless, giving you that race-ready feel with every shift. Braking power is just as impressive, with Brembo Stylema calipers gripping massive 330mm front discs, ensuring relentless stopping force. Whether you're attacking a corner or hitting the straightaways, this bike gives you confidence with every pull of the lever. The cockpit gets a refresh as well, featuring a 5-inch TFT display with a revamped user interface for better visibility and easier access to ride modes and settings. Ducati has also optimized the riding position, offering a perfect balance between aggressive sport bike ergonomics and all-day comfort. So, who is the 2025 Ducati Panigale V4 for? If you're a rider who craves top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping Italian styling, this bike is made for you. It's not just a superbike, it's a statement of power, precision, and passion. That's it for today's ride through the world of two-wheeled perfection. If you love bikes as much as we do, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz TV for more epic motorcycle content.